Hi, this is JD Break, and I am here with Rich from Ring, and you're here to talk to us about the extremely popular video doorbells that everyone knows about, that everyone should have. I have it. It's a great product. And we have the Video Doorbell 2 and the Pro. Now, I get asked this a lot. What is the difference between the two? Can you kind of go in depth on these two products here?
Right. So in a lot of ways, the Ring Video Doorbell 2 and the Ring Video Doorbell Pro are very similar in what they do. You have a 1080p film, two-way audio, so you can talk to whoever's at the door from anywhere in the world, either from your phone, tablet, or even Amazon Alexa. But the main differences between the two, outside of the price point being about $50 delta, is if you don't have a wire, an existing doorbell at the front entrance, you're going to be wanting to use the Video Doorbell 2. What you have is dual voltage, so you'll be able to have wiring if you do have doorbells, but if not, you can utilize our rechargeable battery. It takes about 2 hours to charge up, and then plug it in to the front. Get about 6 months to a year and a half, depending upon usage. And additionally, you could even extend that even longer by using the
there's a solar
panel
option here. That is very cool. Did not know that. Awesome.
So what you get with this, in addition to the Video Doorbell Pro, is you're going to get advanced motion detection. So you'll be able to physically draw out what you want to see. So instead of getting just kind of a baseball diamond view that you get with the Video Doorbell Pro 2, the Video Doorbell Pro, you would have the ability to physically draw the sidewalk or physically draw everything but that flag flying. So you're not going to get these false motion alerts. So
I got
the wife is really happy when they don't get all the alerts.
Yes.
And they just get the people showing up.
And that's important because we were just talking off camera that in order to do that, you get the person that has the account holder, the person that shares it with all the other usernames, that's the one that can do the motion.
Correct.
Right, okay.
Yeah, you can share this with anyone. So in my home, I have my neighbors, they have access to my front door. They have Ring Video Doorbells, and they give me access to their front door. So it's kind of a miniature neighborhood watch within the Ring. And the Ring actually does have a section called Neighbors, where you can share.
Best thing about it, I love it, especially around Halloween time. It's the best thing in the world.
Everybody loves sharing videos. And you can, if you see something cool or concerning, you share it to your neighbors everywhere within a 3 mile to a 10 mile radius. They can see in real time what's happening at your front door if you left it.
Yeah, no, it's a great feature to have with the Ring. Absolutely recommended. But thank you, Rich, for coming on and telling us about these great products that are available now at Jackson Systems. You can call in or you can find these online at jacksonsystems.com. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.